Hey guys, how's it going? It's Chuckles here, and today we have a FIFA 15 pack opening. The EA has released some Jumbo Premium Gold packs. I've only got a couple FIFA points, so I'm not going to be expecting a lot of packs to be opened. But it's a good team week out, and we're going to see who we get. So with our first pack, let's see who we get. Drum roll, please. Where's it? Oh, we got Yanazai. That's not bad. It could be worse, I suppose. Oh dear. Villa Park. Okay, well, that's an alright pack, I guess. Not brilliant, but Yanazai might go for something. Oh, no. I stand corrected. It goes for fuck all. Sick! Let's see. How much do you go for? Ooh! Okay, fair enough. Yeah, we'll do that for 150. Let's see. I think I'll store you and you. Oh, fuck off. And you. Yeah, I'll store that. So let me know who got in your packs, guys. I'd really like to know. Leave in the comments down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. That'd be amazing. Right. So second pack. We've got about 2 packs left, I suppose. Wow. That was so shit. I don't want West Ham shit. I'm gonna have to make it my active care because I've got to do this manager task or whatever. Yeah. Yay. Gotta change the badge as well. It's fucking stupid. You know, I'm just gonna quick sell that. Fuck that. Alright, moving on. Hopefully we can get something decent. Oh, come on, please. Please. Skip. Oh, for fuck's... Oh, hello. 93 pace. What the fuck? Trevino as well. How much do you go for? No, oh fuck. Nothing to get bankable about. I'll quick sell that as well. I'm not really that interested in Trevino. There's gonna be people like, yeah, Trevino goes for like 5k. No, he probably doesn't. Alright, final pack, guys, and then we'll do like a really shit small pack. And we get, oh, for fuck's sake! Well, that's just disappointing. Fuck. Oh, I'm actually disappointed. I thought we'd get someone decent. Oh, that's, oh man. Fuck it. Those back. Come on. Please. Please. Oh, fucking hell, I got the race! How much do you go for? Wait, is it? Oh my god! 40k! Fuck me! That's amazing! Fuck! That actually works, guys. Go to like open all the really big packs and then do a 7.5 pack. You get someone decent. Fuck! That's amazing. I'm gonna do a video. Place, I think. Oh, I got Van Gaal. That's pretty good as well. And being a Man U fan, bring on the hate. He goes for not bad, not bad. Who else did we get? Oh, we've got a duplicate over there. Alright, cool. Oh, chemistry style. Okay, that's pretty useless. Alright, I think we'll install Louis. Install that, and quick sell the rest of that shit. Right, well, that's been that. I want to thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down if you want to see more of this. Sorry I didn't like get overly excited about the shit players I got. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye now.